Hi everyone, welcome to Southport Automart. I'm Tom, the Internet Specialist, and the next car on our list is the Suzuki Splash 1 litre SZ3. It's a great looking little car this, with plenty of key features. Now, with it being an Automart and being the price of only $3,297, this car is going to be a sold as seen car. Now, don't get me wrong, we'll do anything mechanical to it that needs doing. We'll check to see if it needs a service and MOT. If it's still less than 6 months, we will get them done. However, anything else, anything cosmetic, we will not be doing. So for that matter of fact, I will be going around the vehicle a little bit more in depth and showing you all about it. If you want any more information or more personalised video, please don't hesitate to contact us on 01704 500 501. So taking around the car. So being in 2014, the car is actually in pretty good condition. Obviously got a few little stone chips, which you expect for the age and the mileage, but nothing too major. Steel covers have just been painted. A few light scratches on the wing mirrors. As I said, just a few little chips here and there. Got your parking sensors on the rear. A few light scratches back here as well. Not a bad size boot, plenty of space in there if you're just doing a round trip shopping. Some space underneath as well. The main one is this door's been painted, as you can see. But you have got your mats already fitted inside. Inside is in really good condition. It does look really well. You got your windy windows on the back, cloth seats front and rear. You got your third seat belt in the centre. Heated wing mirrors. Your fuel flaps just down here. Electrically adjusted mirrors. Couple of functions on the steering wheel. Car itself's done 68,915. Got your CD player and FM and AM. Air conditioning in the centre. Front heated screen done by the motor. 5-speed gearbox. Great service history, which is all there. You also have a chapel house one there and your book pack and 2 keys. Little extra compartment there, and a few other little bits. Okay, if there's anything on the video you want to know, or if there's anything I've missed, please don't hesitate to give us a call. If you've seen the video on YouTube, if you can please give the video a like and our page a follow, be able to see future cars that come into our stock. Thank you. Bye now.